Shortbed Chevy truck has been sold. I had a real heavy hitter tap in, Kash dog. She said she want to buy the truck for her boyfriend Zadarius Smith. My last post when I put it for sale, I said, ask your girl for permission before you contact me, because they always use that excuse. But what if your girl's a real boss and she gets you the truck for your birthday? Dang, there's still some real ones out there. Congratulations, happy birthday. Man, I wish you many more. Check out the truck. Boom.